This is one of the meal I love to prepare very well, which is rice. Because there are different methods you can use to prepare this rice or to prepare your rice, and it will come out absolutely what? Good. So today I use the cooking or boiling method without frying, and the rice came out very well. Guys, can you see this rice? Is it not looking delicious or yummy? Let me show you how I was able to put this together. Welcome you lovers of good things to my channel Cook with Temi. First of all, after I boiled my rice, wash it and set it aside. Another pan set on the fire, add water that will be enough for me to cook the rice. Then add my curry powder. I use enough curry powder, and I add my spices, my oil, and I cover and allow it to boil. After that, I went and blend my tomatoes. Please blend your tomatoes, your pepper, your crayfish, your onions. Blend them together. That's roughly blend, not smooth. Then set it aside. By then the water is already boiled. Then I introduce the already parboiled rice. I stir. Then I allow it to cook for a few minutes. Then added my fish. I use dried panla fish. So I added it so it will be soft. You can use any protein of your choice. After that, I cover and allow it to cook. When the water is done, almost dry, I introduce that my blended tomatoes, pepper, onion, crayfish. You can see it. Is this right now looking delicious? You can see the aroma coming out from my kitchen. Then I added my fresh curry leaf. Ah, I wish you can have a taste of this soon. After adding the fresh curry leaf, I cover and allow it to cook and dry. Then came back and I give it a very good stir. You stir it there. You stir the food very well for everything to combine and marry themselves. Guy, how are you seeing this rice? So after stirring it, I just give it few seconds and I turn off the heat. Look at our rice. Is this not looking yum yum and delicious? Thank you to our returning subscribers. If this is your first time of coming across our video or channel, please touch the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Remember to turn on your bell to always get notified whenever we post new videos, and give this video a thumbs up. Then remember to drop your comment to tell me where you are watching for, and let me know if you'll be trying this method. Thank you for watching. I love you.